With Vaisala, you can get a step ahead in managing weather and environmental-related risks. Getting the right insights to the right people at the right time can make a tremendous difference in being able to achieve a comprehensive understanding of your road networks and being able to act with confidence. At Vaisala, we continuously apply our knowledge and experience to create next-generation solutions that you can use to innovate and optimize road networks like never before. Some of our latest road weather innovations include the Vaisala cast sensors, which provide an easy way to collect road weather data from locations which may have previously been hard to reach. They can also be used if you're just getting started with road weather. Cast sensors are wireless, battery-powered, cloud-connected, and you can place them virtually anywhere. This makes them an ideal solution for creating a denser road weather network and covering spots that were previously challenging, such as bridges, cycleways, and local roads. Measurement data and enhanced road weather forecasts can automatically be accessed through Vaisala WX Horizon subscription. Now is a great time to join the thousands of snow fighters who already rely on Vaisala solutions to help with both real-time and long-term winter maintenance decision-making. Vaisala's weather and environmental technologies enable unrivaled road network awareness, creating better, safer outcomes for all.